Hey guys, I want to get on and give you a happy weekend. I wanted to give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Today is your day. Today is your day. Every day you wake up, it's your day. It's to make the best day you can. You have to think in the positive and not the negative. When getting on YouTube and watching people that you love, or watching people that you are a little bit interested about, or people that you might wonder a little bit more about that person, that how they do their videos, or things that you're probably trying to learn, there's things that you can always, if you have a question about a product, YouTube is wonderful for that. But another thing is to watch positive. Watch positive when you start that day. Watch things that'll make you happy. Watch things before you go to bed at night that'll make you on a positive to help you sleep in a positive way. Sometimes there's people that go on YouTube that I have watched that I look at some of their comments, and that might be one or two that will be a negative. They're looking for the bad in that video. They're looking for the negative in that video. They're looking to make that person not feel good. But to you YouTubers that you make your own videos, you make those videos, don't take it personal. Don't take anything personal. It's that person that makes that comment that you need to just not worry about. So if you are reading them, you are a YouTuber or you're not a YouTuber and you're looking for positive, my best advice, if I ever give you anything else, is to watch positive, wonderful things when you look at a video. Look at that video making your decision that you want to be positive about that person. If they have pretty hair, if they've got pretty eyes, if they've got a pretty home, they've got a pretty attitude, a pretty personality, whatever it is. I think you can be the ugliest person in the world, the ugliest. But if you're pretty on the inside, you're the most gorgeous. The most gorgeous. I know of people that I have loved from afar and people that I've loved as friends that are so pretty on the inside. They're outside of any flaw or anything they've ever um, look like. They are so beautiful. They're just beautiful. So be pretty on the inside to make that pretty on the outside. Watch that positive and not that negative, and that'll make you more of a positive person. If you have a tendency to watch somebody and you want to look at what's bad about them or what's ugly about them or what's negative about them, stop. Look at the positive. Only you can do that. I can't make you. Your friends can't make you. No one can make you be a better person but you. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you a hug. I'm sending you positive vibes. I'm sending you nothing but positive energy. And I'm sending you that great big hug. I hope you feel it. I love you. Until tomorrow.